Did you know you can legally gain land you don't own? I'm going to explain to you the concept of adverse possession. But don't get excited just yet, because there are a bunch of strict legal requirements that must be followed in order to establish adverse possession. First things first, the person must show factual possession. This means they have physical control over the land, such as fencing it off or treating it as their own. This was established in Powell and McFarlane, where it says factual possession signifies an appropriate degree of physical control. Secondly, there must be an intention to possess. This is different from owning, so do not get it confused. It's an intention to possess, not an intention to own, which basically means to exclusively control the land. This was clarified in Pye and Graham's, where Graham's had farmed the land as if it was theirs. Third, and most importantly, the possession must be without the owner's permission and for a continuous period of time. In the present day, the possession for a continuous period without consent must be 10 years for registered land under the Land Registration Act 2002. But before 2002, adverse possession was much stricter for landowners. Unregistered land is someone had possessed the land factually with an intention to possess and without the owner's permission. The original owner's title would be extinguished under the Limitation Act 1980. So in unregistered land, once the limitation period has passed, the squatter effectively becomes the owner automatically. For registered land before 2002, if the squatter possessed the registered land for 12 years, they could also acquire title and the registered proprietor would lose their rights. However, this then raised concerns about fairness, because registered land is meant to provide certainty and security of ownership, which is why in 2002 the Land Registration Act was reformed and fundamentally changed how adverse possession worked for registered land. So in reality, adverse possession now balances two things: protecting ownership and preventing land from being unused indefinitely. Follow for more.